Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fun, fabulous, fantastic week, and it's so good to see you. If you're new here, press that subscribe button and welcome to my channel. My name is Alexis, and I'm super excited that you're here, and let's get going. Okay, first and foremost, yes, I'm wearing my Eldorados t-shirt and some skinny jeans. Yes, I'm looking good, I'm looking fit. This is one of my favorite shirts. I know it's after Labor Day, but I'm at the phase where I'm gonna wear what I want when I want and ignoring the fashion laws because no one abides by them. So these rules, follow what you want to do what you want to do. That's life. I have one exciting news. Yes, I am an EF Ultimate Ambassador. I'm super excited, super excited to be a part of this EF Ambassador program. And if you don't know what EF Ultimate is, EF Ultimate is a travel agency for ages 18 to 35. They pretty much have trips that are pre-planned literally across the world. So if you want to go Southeast Asia, Southeast Europe, America, Australia, New Zealand, wherever you want to go, they pretty much have a trip planned for you, and they have destinations and tour directors there. And basically this company, EF Ultimate, has pre-planned itinerary that has taken care of all of your accommodations. Most of your meals are included. They take care of your flights. They are just super amazing, and I will link my referral code down below that gives you $100 off in your next trip with them when you use my code. And also too, prices are going up by the end of September, so make sure you book that trip by the end of September because the prices are going up, hunty. So today's a Sunday, and I am prepping for this trip with EF Ultimate Break. I'm going to Ibiza, Valencia, and Barcelona. I'm going with them, and I'm doing the Ultimate Plus trip, so extra accommodations, extra nicer accommodations. Meals are also included, extra meals are also included, and then just more fun adventures. So me doing my prep, I'm just gonna show what you get, what I've done today. So basically, I went to FedEx Kinko's Print and Go. I'm just getting ready. I'm reading the Know Before You Go. Every trip comes before a Know Before You Go, and it has packing, planning, and what you need. So basically, I just went through and I printed off the itinerary. I printed off my flights. So pretty much you can see Ultimate Plus, you can see there's little tabs down here, and then it pretty much has my trip consultant, my tour director, and then I printed off the flights and accommodations. Because anyone who's known, at least with me, when I go through customs, the people's be acting crazy. Y'all, if y'all are in the airlines, y'all know y'all be giving me 100 million questions, and sometimes I'd be so stressed out with traveling, and it's I don't know the answers to your questions. But now I printed out what I needed, so it's okay, I have my trip itinerary, I have my flights and accommodations printed out. I also have my passport copies printed out, and you might be why do you have copies of your passport? Sometimes when you're staying at hotels and youth hostels, they require to know all the information about you in order to stay there that night. So they'll either ask to hold your passport for a couple hours, or you can just give them a copy and bypass that process. But I personally don't like people having physical access to my passport, so having a copy on hand, it's okay, I don't need to wait for you to go make a copy. Here's a copy, let me go check into my room and expedite the process. And so pretty much they just want to know it's not human trafficking or anything suspicious isn't occurring. So that's why they sometimes do ask when you're staying with a group of young people or people of the same age, they might be what's up, what's going on. So just having that handy dandy is just very nice and needed. So I printed out, we're staying in 3 different hotels, so I printed out 3 copies, and then I printed out a color copy for me. So I have 4 copies total, and then I printed out a 5th to stay at home with my mom. So my mom will have a copy at her house. So I just got everything printed, and then I also printed off my personal immunization history. So you can either request this from your doctor's office, or you can, at least if you live in Wisconsin, you can see through the WIR, which is the Wisconsin Immunization Registry, all the vaccinations that you ever had in your entire life, and it will print it out. And so this is nice to have, because if something does happen, or if you get bit by a bird or dog or animal, they can see, like, do you have your immunization, and like what date? Do you have your Tdap? Do you have your MMR? Do you have meningitis B? Like, what is the T? Like, do you have these vaccinations for this type of thing? So I pretty much have that. I do have a vaccination appointment coming up on the 13th, where I'm gonna get my local flu shot, and then I'm also getting a booster. So I'll just write that physically on the copy, but as pretty much as they have everything else since I've been born, like all of my immunizations, they pretty much don't need to see anything else. And then I also just printed off my flights. This package has 7 flights total. So I have 1 to a central airport, and then from a central airport I go straight to Barcelona, and then from Barcelona, of course, we go to Ibiza after staying in Barcelona a couple of days, and then after we stay in Ibiza for a couple of days, we go to Valencia. We stay in Valencia a few days, and it's return back home. So I returned back home actually, hold up. It says Madrid. So I guess I go to Madrid. Oh yeah, oops, I guess I do go to Madrid. So yep, we go to Madrid, and then from Madrid, I'm catching an airplane to a central airport. And then from that central airport, I'm going to my hometown airport. So it's 7 flights total, which we're very curious to see. This one, I'm gonna show y'all. I don't want to review everything, because it's like, y'all, they pretty much tell you like what you can and what you can't bring. Pretty much it does say, it says that this, oh, I hope y'all can see that, but we'll see. It says that the internal flight on the tour has different luggage requirements and only allows 1 checked bag or carry item and personal item. Carry on and personal items. So I am going to do 1 carry-on, and then I'm also going to do my personal item for my film equipment, and then that is what we're doing, honey. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you all and tell you about my ambassador status. Of course, YouTube, y'all know it first, because this is my little community. I haven't announced it yet on Insta. I haven't announced it yet on Snapchat. I haven't announced it yet anywhere else. So you all are the first ones to know about this program that I'm a part of, the EF Ultimate Break Ambassador Program. And like I said, I'll link those codes below. I'll link my personal code so you can get $100 off. And remember, by the end of September, all prices are going up, 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 up. So if you have any questions, comments, or if you are going on this tour, hey, I can't wait to meet you, see you. And then if you do have any comments, link them below. I do read them, I will reply back. And of course, XOXOXO, have a fabulous, fantastic week. And I'll see you on the next round. Bye.